learn Case of You. It's choreographed by Ria Vos. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 8. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and a possible ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Case of You. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot to the left side. Quickly cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the left side. Cross your right over your left. We're now going to chasse to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. And you're going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, crossing over with your right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball side. Step your left next to your right. Step your right foot to the right side. Cross your left over your right. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right next to your left to face 3 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock back. You're stepping to the right. 1, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to hitch our right knee up. We're now going to do 2 walks back, right, left. You're going to shuffle back with our right, stepping right back, left together, right back. Touch your left toe back. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot, and you're going to swivel your feet as you put your weight onto your left. We're now going to sway to the right, and you're going to swivel your feet as you sway to the right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're hitching your right knee forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a quarter shuffle over our left shoulder. So you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Step your right next to your left, step forward with your left. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step forward with your right and hold. We're now going to do a ball boogie walk forward. So we're going to quickly step our left next to our right, and then we're going to do 2 walks forward. And as we do that, we're going to slightly bend our knees and have our hips go with our feet. So when we step with our right, everything's going to travel to the right. When you step with the left, everything's going to travel to the left. So when you do it, you'll be walk, walk. And you want to have your knees go towards your foot that you're stepping with. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sway and swivel. You're going to do your quarter shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your crossover with your right. So it's cross, side, behind, side, cross, chasse to the left, rock back, recover, side, hold, ball, side, cross, point, quarter turn, point, step forward, hitch, walk back, back, shuffle, back, touch, back, quarter swivel, sway, swivel, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, step, hold, ball, boogie, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your crossover. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag's going to happen on the end of wall 8. So wall 8 starts facing 9 o'clock. You'll dance the full 32 counts, bringing you to 12 o'clock where you will add on your tag. It happens at 1 time and 1 time only. So we would have just come to 12 o'clock, so weight is on your left. Your tag is going to be a right heel grind. So you're going to cross your right slightly over your left using your heel, and you're going to rotate your toes From left to right, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a ball cross. Step your right next to your left, cross your left over your right, and then we're going to flick our right foot back into the side, and you're going to snap your fingers. And that is the pull tag. So let's try that with some counts, doing your heel grind. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then you're ready to start over. Cross, side, behind, side, cross into your chasse. Now, the dance ends facing 6 o'clock on your cross step before we would do that point quarter turn. What you can do if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock is that when you cross over, just unwind a half turn over your right shoulder so that you can end facing 12 o'clock. There's a slight kind of warping sound or a little whoop sound at the end of the song. So when you unwind, you'll kind of match that in the music if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock. There's no ending listed on the step sheet, but if you're somebody that likes to end facing the front, feel free to do that. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our crossover. So it's cross, side, behind, side, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, side, hold, ball, side, cross, point, quarter turn, point, step forward, hitch, walk back, back, shuffle, back, touch, quarter, swivel, swivel, quarter, shuffle, step, half pivot, step, hold, ball, boogie, walk, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, side, hold, ball, side, cross, point, quarter turn, point, step forward, hitch, walk back, back, shuffle, back, touch, quarter turn, sway with your swivel, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, step, hold, ball, boogie, walk, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, side, hold, ball, side, cross, point, quarter turn, point, step, hitch, walk back, back, shuffle, back, touch, quarter, now you're sway with your swivel, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, step, hold, ball, boogie, walk, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, side, hold, ball, side, cross, point, quarter turn, point, step forward, hitch, walk back, back, shuffle, back, touch, turn, and sway, quarter shuffle, half pivot, step in, hold, ball, boogie, walk. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, 8, heel, grind, ball, cross, flick, start over, cross, side, behind, side, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, side, hold, ball, side, cross, point, quarter turn, point, step forward, hitch, walk back, back, shuffle, back, touch, quarter turn, sway, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, step, hold, ball, boogie, walk, and then you will dance one more wall, and then that back wall will be your final wall where you can do the unwind, come to 12 o'clock if you would like to end facing the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn pace of you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.